Yo guys, what's up? And welcome back to another drawing video. Today I am gonna be doing the don't lift your pen off the paper challenge. So I'm gonna be drawing the whole drawing without using any pencils beforehand, just with this point 0.1 micron, and I'm not gonna lift the pen up. Let's see how this goes. I will be drawing the Hugh Jackman version of I will be drawing the Hugh Jackman version of Wolverine. Start with the nose. I guess that's what I'm gonna do. This is scary to start. Okay. Okay. That's where our nose is gonna start, I guess. So, this is the bottom of the nostril. And, okay. Drawing one of the nostrils here. Like that. I'm just gonna shade it in. I guess it's gonna be one of those kind of drawings where it's like black and white with shaded in, because that's just gonna make life easier on me. Rather than this is not the one line drawing art challenge, by the way. I'm gonna be going over my lines multiple times just to make it easier on myself. I don't want to torture myself too much. Alright, I'm drawing the eyebrow now, which is right here. He is really like angry in this one. Like really angry. I think this is like the pose right after he gets his adamantium claws, and he's looking angry at like, why are my claws metal? That time. I don't know if you guys saw the first movies, but it's that point. Let's see here. I'm just gonna shade this entire like eye in black. There's a bunch of shadows and stuff going on in the reference photo. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm using a reference image just cause like it would be even harder to do this whole thing if I didn't have a reference image. So yeah. There's a bunch of shading going on in this part of the eye, so I'm just gonna color it in black. Alright. Okay. It's gonna go out there, up here, and then it's gonna move. It's like slanted. His hair is like that. I might have slanted that too low. That's okay. It's fine. Okay. Oh god. Making his face too wide here. Okay. Um, this is really not the greatest. Okay. He has like a rim light on this side of the face. The light source is coming from this way. So and there's rim lighting from the other side. So I'm trying to show that here. I might have made it a little too big, so yeah, let's just this was all part of the plan. God. Okay, this is not looking like him at all, like whatsoever. Not a single bit. Okay, let's put in like his Wolverine beard here. Okay. Goes down to here. Oh god. Um let's see. Alright, I think that's good enough. Don't want to completely kill my pen. Still haven't lifted it off. My hand is starting to hurt now, honestly. Just a little though, not too much. Alright. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more shading, like here. Alright. From right about, I'd say here. The moment of truth. Let's do the body. So, one line goes like that. And then here, this muscle start. Wow, he's ripped. Oh. Whatever. There's gonna be a line through his claws. Because, like, he's holding his claws. I don't know if they're called them claws. I guess you can call them claws. Whatever they're called. And they actually, like, three of them go through here. I guess I kind of already drew that in. But okay. There's gonna be a line through them. Who cares? Honestly, though. Okay. Gonna move to the other side. Whoa. Okay. We got that in. I'm gonna put in the neck. I honestly am scared to do the hands. I have a lot of trouble drawing hands usually. So I like do it with a pencil and I erase and draw again and erase and draw again. And I just do that a lot. But now I don't have that opportunity. And I am kind of scared for doing the hands actually. Then okay, the hands come in at right about there. Um, okay, there's no point in delaying it. Let's do the hands. Let's do this. Um, which hand do I do first? Uh, where do I start? I'll start all the way up here. Okay, right here. Start with the claws. The adamantium claws, okay. Yeah, there's a little bit of shadow going on here. I'm gonna put that in, but oh my god, that is so bad. You guys do not understand how, like, I honestly don't know. Like, how do you do hands in one go? I feel like hands need a little more thought, too. I'm trying to do this quick because I'm doing this real time. But, like, if it was me, I'd, like, pick up my pencil, look at it for a bit, be like, which way did these go? But no, I don't have that. I can't do that right now because this is a challenge. Oh, God. Everything was going almost fine until these came in. He's got some veins and stuff going on here, and a lot of shadow. You know what? I feel like that actually does look bad. Now I see it. Um, I feel like I shouldn't do too much on the hand, cause it looks bad. That's all I can say. I mean, it's very, very off. Like, very off. Oh God, what happened here? Okay. Yep. Nope. Never. Not possibly able to happen. Okay, now that that's over with, let's do something a bit more fun, eh? Actually, I'm not over with it. I'm adding in all the shading, even though it looks horrible and I'm ruining it. I feel like I should add a bit more definition here to show that it's a hand. It looks like a little kid drew it, honestly. Like he was trying to draw a realistic hand, but then failed horribly. Okay. And then I'm like, I can't add as dark shading anymore. My pen is actually running out now. Oh, ones are my favorite. Oh well. This is what I get. Yada yada does it. Okay, I might speed through this. The last bit is really just me shading in a bunch of stuff. So yeah, I'm probably gonna time lapse it. Uh, See you guys when I'm finished, I guess. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna probably stop it there, right? Moment of truth. I lift up the pencil. What's not really the moment of truth. I've been able to see this drawing, like, the whole time. But, yeah, see how it looks. Alright, that's not bad. I mean, you can tell it's Wolverine. So the main thing is almost everything, in my opinion, came out fine other than the hands. The hands look kind of weird. But other than that, honestly, it looks great. Alright? Um, okay, I'm gonna end it there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked watching me suffer. Um, like the video, subscribe, share the video, and write down in the comments what you think of it. And if you want to see me do more challenges like this. And that'll be that. I'll see you next time.